Now, here are some general strategies. One thing which we have already talked, that you get 1.5 minutes for each question. So you make sure that you keep your pace and do not get stuck on a particular question. So if you have a doubt, mark that question and come back to that later and move forward, because you need to complete these in time. And make sure that you have 15 to 30 minutes at the end to review your questions, because if you mark some question and you might want to come back and look at that. Another important trick which I learned recently, that when you're taking ASQ exam, you need to select one answer out of four. But then if you right click on these options, that strikes out that option. So let's say if you're looking at the four option number four does not make sense at all. Then you just right click, so this will strike it out. So basically here you can do the elimination of some of those options. Then probably at the end you might be left with two choices, and out of these two choices you might want to select the right answer. But then you can eliminate these choices by right clicking on them. Another important thing which we talked earlier as well, that even though this is an open book exam, you should not be spending too much of time opening the book and looking at and trying to find out. Only you do that selectively when you think that answer could be in the book. So use that open book material selectively.